are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, compass, security alarm, power locks, fog lights, CD player, power convenience group, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, SIRIUS Satellite Radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.